Hi everyone, today we will see how we can write any document or any letter without typing. Yeah, first of all, you have to log into your Gmail account. After that, you have to open Google Doc or you can type here in URL docs.google.com. Then as you can see on the screen Google document. So here you have to open blank document and once it is opened, after that you just click on to the. Then here the option is there voice typing. Click onto the voice typing. Then click onto the mic icon. Then start speaking. Here I am two to three lines I am speaking. See here. A story writing is a work of imagination that is usually written easily understandable, grammatically structured with a nature full of speech. Yeah, here whatever I am saying that it is now is start typing. So like that you can also do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.